Hello! For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make cupcakes using air dry clay. I made strawberry cupcake and blueberry cupcake. First, I'm going to make the chocolate base using this cupcake molder. And then I will put white glue first, and I use this half sphere molder just to have an exact measurement for each cupcake. I apply lotion for a softer surface, and then I use this texture foam. If you don't have one, you can also use aluminum foil. You can use your old toothbrush to create more details. Make sure to make the toppings first before you make the fake whipped cream. I bought this nail tool from the grocery store. You can also use any pointy tool. This is just a red dried clay, so I can grate it like so. You should buy a plastic piping tip for this. This is my old way of making the cream. I think it's look good too, but I think the new way is better. You should put the glue first, so the clay will stick to it. I just press it with my thumb. It's really hard at first, but you'll get used to it. just pull it carefully. I'll show you different ways to create the whipped cream. Okay, so my tip for making the cream. You should put lotion to make the clay softer. This way, it will create a smoother outcome and it will be easy to pull. For the chocolate paste, I'm just adding a white glue and water. This is for the strawberry we made earlier. I'm planning to upload more videos like this every Friday. So if you like to see more, please subscribe and click the bell notification button. I dry this for 12 hours and then I put this ice screw and then I apply super glue and paste it like so. You should dry this for one more day and then you can glaze it with your favorite sealant or UV resin. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like for more videos.